I have some McCormick Grill Mates, Montreal steak, smoked sausage, pork and chicken. I'm using those to line the bottom of my pressure cooker. I like this one because it has, ooh, what I did like is that resealable on there. That was very nice. And I have some pork baby back ribs. So what I want to do is line them up like this. And use the sausages as a liner. Got that one big piece. Another big one. Actually, let's put that one over here. Put them around the edge higher. Oops, have a paper towel. Alright, I gotta wash my hands, so wait for it. And we're going to be braising or pressure cooking an apple juice. Yeah. Those sausages are going to be our flavoring. Push them all down. When I get home, it'll be all done. It's the first time I'm doing baby back ribs and apple juice.